Let's go.
Oh! Hang on, hang on. Oh! Oh! Yo! Oh! Hang on, hang on. Oh! Oh! Yo! Holy shit!
Goo Lagoon, a stinky mud puddle to you and me, but to the inhabitants of Bikini Bottom, a wonderful stinky mud puddle.
It is about that time I go for the triple, and I'm pretty damn nervous about doing it on this bike because last time it didn't go so well. Here we go. Woo!
Jesus Christ.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Let's do this.
If I don't hit one big jump today, I'm not sleeping tonight, so. To infinity and beyond!
He needs some milk! My leg!
Hold on, let's back that up to appreciate what just happened. As my face is smashing into the ground, the GoPro snaps off my helmet, flies through the air, and lands facing me about 10 feet away, with me perfectly centered in the frame so it can continue recording me sitting there in pain. What are the odds of that?
What hurt?
Oh, you got the wind knocked out of me.
Nope.
Oh no!
Nice.
The dismount though. Hell yeah! Ran out of talent.
Oh! Yeah!
That? You want to hit that? Nah, bro. Nah, that's a big fat niz. He better not. Oh my god! He just went for it! Oh my god! Dude, I kind of sprained my ankle a little. I bet! You landed right on the knuckle. I almost made it. Dude, I can't lean. My dirt bike, I suck at leaning. Dude, I'm gonna. I gotta remember to get all the way up front here. Christ. Dude, this. Oudi has a brand new 2024 KTM 250 SX. All right, let's see. This is the first time this thing's ever touching the dirt. Whoa! Oh my God! Did you see that shit? Whoa! A little too hard. Oh shoot! Damn it! No! My new bike! I knew I was gonna tip it over, man. Oh! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Dang, dude's like drifting sideways on the brakes. That's sick. Holy shit. I'm afraid of getting in front of people and messing up their line. Yo!